rated this makeup look, just keep watching. First, I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows using Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 4.5. I don't know, I prefer to do my eyebrows first because I believe it just frames the face. Let me know if you guys do your eyebrows first or after. To clean out my eyebrows, I'm using my foundation, the Fenty Hydrating Foundation in 420. I'm using the Juvia's Place Concealer in 13. And I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. And just take my beauty blender and just blend it out. Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So basically this look is going to be more of a corally brown, peachy brown look. For my transition is Riff, this nice matte brown eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply this in my crease area. So again, I'm just taking this color and just packing it into my crease and then blend it out. It's actually a little bit darker versus what's in the pan. I just go back in with a more fluffy brush just to blend the top part of my crease out just a little bit more. And to deepen it up just a little bit more, let's see, they have two darker colors, a Good As Go and Punk. This one is more of a cool tone brown versus this one is more of a warm tone brown. I'm gonna go with this one, and if it doesn't work out, then I'll go back in with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna take Punk and just lightly fluff it in, not too much, because I really don't want this look to be dark. I just want some type of definition. And Steel Shot, which is this corally peachy color, which is this color right here, all over my lid. Okay, so to make the peachy corally pop, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. My P.Louise Rumor Base 4. And just apply it, just press it on top of it. Okay, so now that I have my eyeshadow down, I'm gonna go back in with my fluffy brush just to blend everything out because I don't want a cut crease. I still want it to look soft. So I'm just going back and just blending it out. Supergoop Glow Screen SPF 40. It does have like a pearly tint to it. And it kind of gives you like a highlighter effect too. To me, it doesn't give off that purple shade like some of the SPF products give. Milk Hydro Primer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer Corrector in orange. And again, I just like to apply this underneath my eyes to get rid of any dark circle. my MAC Mineralize face powder in dark just to set it. For foundation, I'm using a Fenty hydrating foundation in 420. Applying it with my beauty blender and just stippling it all over. Using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. Just add a little in my forehead. I just like to start with my forehead and chin area first and then leave underneath my eyes last. That way it kind of gives my underneath my eye area a little medium to full coverage for the concealer. And just take the end of the beauty blender, just kind of stipple it out to get rid of any harsh lines from the concealer, because you don't want any harsh lines. And I'm just gonna go back and use my MAC Mineralize Dark Powder just to set concealer. Go back over with the beauty blender so that way I won't have any creases underneath my eyes. And it kind of gives you that flawless full coverage underneath your eyes. This is a Fenty Contour Cream Stick, which is stick in Espresso. Beauty blender just to stipple it in. So basically I'm just pressing it in and just blending it out. And this contour blends out so easy too. You don't have to struggle with it. And my MAC Mineralized face powder in Dark Deep. I'm using the MAC blush Peaches, which is this. So basically we stick into the Corley Peachy family. So I'm using the MAC blush, which is a peachy matte blush. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my contour by using the Fenty Coconutty bronzer just to contour my nose. We're gonna bring it all the way up to the eyebrow. For highlighter, I'm using the Artist Contour Conceited. Urban Decay Whiskey Brown Eyeliner. I use my pencil brush just to smoke it out. So I'm taking Ignite, which is this bronzy eyeshadow, and just apply it on my lower lash line. Just pop it underneath my, on my lash line. To give it more of a metallic look, I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So I want to add some glitter at the bottom, which is this stack of glitter. So I might use bronze glitter and just apply it underneath my lash line. Liquid Sugar by Cosmetic. I'm using the Shayla Colourpop lip pencil in BFF3. For lipstick, I'm using Colourpop Ouuuuu, and this is timed with Shayla, a peachy lipstick. Using the BFF4 lip pencil. To finish the face off, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay guys, this pretty much completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that way you won't miss any new videos, and don't forget to like this video.